Hey learners, I hope you have found my previous videos very useful on how to master basics of Excel. In this video, I will talk to you about the backstage area of Excel. In other words, that is what happens behind the File button. Now, if you move your mouse right up to the top, you will get a drop-down menu bar. And you can see in here, you have File. And when you click on File, you will have access to New, New Template, Open, Open Recent, and so forth. If you are using a Windows version, clicking on File would take you to the Backstage. However, it is a little bit different on a Mac. To go to a Backstage view on a Mac, it's a bit tricky. At first, you need to go to File and then click on Open. This will take you to My Finder. Here, you will need to click Online Locations. And this will take you into something that is very familiar to the Windows Excel Backstage view. If you click on New, you'll get the option to open a blank workbook, or you can choose to work with a template. You can see here a lot of different type of templates, for example, different types of calendars, different types of financial budget models. In these templates, you can type in the information you need. These are a great way to start, and it also means you don't have to start something from scratch. If you go to Home, from here you can have access to your existing file. For example, under Recent, you can see the most recent file you have been working on. By double-clicking on the file, you can open it and start working on it. Let's move to the Share button now. This option allows one to share their work, and at the same time, you can get multiple people to have access to it and edit it as well. At work, it's a very useful tool when you're working on a project with multiple people. If you already have a folder where you have saved your Excel work, then you can access it through the Open button. So once I click on Open and select on my Mac, there are stuffs I can Excel. For example, if I go to Excel and Book 1 and double click on it, you have it here. And that is the Backstage view completed. I would also like to show you the additional features that the File drop-down bar entails. So there are options like Close, Save, Save as Template, Move, Rename, Import, Reduce file size, Share, Print, Password, Restrict permission, Always open as read-only, and Properties. If you want me to discuss more about them, do put it down below in the comments. I really hope you are enjoying our course on the basics of Microsoft Excel. If you have enjoyed our content so far, please do subscribe, like, and share, and let me know in the comments below. Thank you.